All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. All right, so it looks like the not crypto rally, but the Santa rally for stocks and crypto may be over. A lot of people were predicting some prices for certain stocks and certain cryptos to be at a certain level at the end of the year, and we haven't seen that. Now, I think this is just setting up for a huge 2025. So you you should be optimistic about that at least. But for now, um, it looks like my iCloud storage is filled up, which is weird. I gotta check that. Sorry, that just threw me off. I got a message saying my iCloud storage is full, so I gotta either increase that or delete some stuff. But yeah, so it looks like we're not going to get that huge. Now, we do have a few days left. It is the 27th, but for me, I don't think we're going to get that huge rally. Now, if we do see one for the stock market, it would happen Monday or Tuesday because we're going into the weekend, the 28th and 27th. Obviously, the stock market is not open during the weekend, but the crypto market has more chance of rallying opposed to the stock market because of it being open 24/7. All right, so let's take a look at some stocks. Let's take a look at some cryptos and let's see what's going on with the market. And that's crazy that my iCloud storage has been full. iCloud full. I paid up to what? I thought I paid for the 2 terabyte one. That is so weird that I'm not getting that. I gotta check that. Um, yeah, but anyway, let's take a look at some stocks. All right, so first, what we're gonna take a look at, we're gonna take a look at some of these blue chip stocks. Also, too, it says draw scrutiny. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with the United Healthcare situation with CEO. It looks like that stock has taken a tumble as well. United Healthcare stock. Mm-hmm. Is it UHG? Hmm. This stock doesn't come up for some reason. Let me see. Let me look up the ticker. United Healthcare stock. UNH. There we go. Okay, it looks like it bounced back. But again, I mean, when you lose your CEO, it's it's one of those things. And again, I'm not sure why this is showing those, or maybe from my email, I got rid of it. All right. So yeah, obviously, because the CEO, they probably have to get a new CEO and things like that. So probably leadership is a little bit discombobulated right now. So they need to probably do that, which I'm pretty sure they'll find somebody to replace the position. But for the most part, the stock looks pretty much intact. I just wanted to look at that one. All right, let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla looks like it's holding on pretty good. Pre-market, it's down about 1.12%. And yeah, I mean, I think Tesla probably in the last couple months did way better than Nvidia. Nvidia did good most of 2024, but it looks like it's cooling down coming towards the end of the year. We could take a look at Nvidia as well. Yeah, Nvidia looks like it's just taking a breather. And again, I always said that Nvidia's chart was overextended, right? So when we were looking at it, when we were looking at Tesla and right, like when Tesla was like right in this area, I was saying in one of my live streams that it was like poised for a breakout, especially with like all the robo taxi and all the talks about that stuff. And at the time, Nvidia was like probably right here. And even at this point, I thought Nvidia was overextended. Now I think it's just way overextended, and I think it's cooling off. But I think the beginning, if again, if AI cryptos take off like I think they should in 2025, I think Nvidia will benefit from that, and the Nvidia will start to go up. So yeah, it's but it's still holding on pretty much to its game. But if I mean look at the market cap, it is 3.42 trillion in market cap. A lot of this has to do with higher valuations for the Blackwell chip that's going to be coming out, and those pre-orders. I'm pretty sure a lot of companies like Tesla, Amazon, and Google are, if they're using the chip, so there's going to be a lot of pre-orders from these big companies that are kind of inflating that valuation right now. I mean, does Nvidia have 3.4 trillion dollars worth? Yeah, I believe the financials support that, but I think for the most part, the most of the stock market is inflated. I don't think 3.4. It's high, right? So what I'm saying is it maybe has up to 4 trillion before it really corrects. I think Nvidia is just overvalued right now, in my opinion. But again, the AI narrative is still strong, and we're going into a decreasing interest rate environment. So going into 2025, I think this could still perform well, especially if it takes a minor correction and kind of gives itself some room to run up. But pre-market, it looks like it's down. Pre-market, Tesla's down. Was United Healthcare down? Yeah, pre-market, United Healthcare's down. I think overall the market is just down. All right. So let's take a look at crypto. Actually, when I woke up today, the markets were like bouncing back. So yesterday we took a slight dip, and I I was saying we may just consolidate until the end of the year. We only have 2-3 days left into the new year, and but it's nothing for BTC to break 100K within a day or within a few hours, right? So I'm really not worried about that, but it's not looking like the Santa Claus rally that we usually get is is going to happen for December. Like, okay, but again, it doesn't take much for crypto to run in one day. Now, what's also interesting is this Fear and Greed index. Remember, I think yesterday was at 60. Yeah, yesterday was at 63. Now it's at 54. Right, a lot of people are very bearish. Again, we spoke about this yesterday, how sentiment can change at the drop of a hat, and people just become bearish, right? When they don't see the price just go up, 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 become bearish. They start to sell their positions, and they don't know what to do. And that's kind of the advantage in the crypto market. Not a lot of people have conviction in their plays, and they sell once the market starts to crash a little bit. And again, it just comes from what they were brought up with. Most people don't invest on their own. They let their job do it. They do it through their 401k, so they don't really have any experience experience investing in individual assets, blue chips, and they're not used to this volatility. So, it's normal to see this Fear and Greed index, swing 10 to 20 points on a daily basis because, again, most people don't have conviction. But, it just shows you too, to go from 63 yesterday to 54, it just doesn't make any sense, right? All right, so let's take a look. Let's see. I do see, so Bitcoin went up. So it was at 94 yesterday. It's at 96. So it's slowly bouncing up, right? So again, we still have 2-3 days left, which is not that much, but we could see some type of rally going into the new year. But again, I think we're just setting up for January, which I think January is going to be really good. And historically, those 3 to 4 months, January through April, are very bullish for crypto. And going into the halving year, I don't expect anything less, right? All right, I'm trying to see. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That is the summary today. Not much today. Just wanted to get on to look at the markets and talk about, that the Santa rally is probably finished, but we still have a few days left, so we'll see. But that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.